I drop down, grab the penguins. You crank me up, and we are out of here.
Let me drop down. I'll grab the penguin.
You don't have fingers, Marty.
No?
No.
Do it?
No.
These are things a leader has to think of.
Why should you be a leader? Why not me?
Because I'm the phase tracker.
The king is letting it ride.
How did I get phased out?
You're part of a phase. A phase isn't something you own, it's something you're in.
That's it.
Who voted you Grand Phase Master anyway?
Me! I voted me, because I'm the leader.
La,
That's it, baby. No?
No.
the king of Versailles will...
Maybe I should be in charge.
Well, man.
I am a doctor.
No.
No.
Why can't we all be leaders?
Enough! I'm gonna lead.
Nope.
What's new, pussycat?
Whoa.
Marty, what phase are we at?
Phase 3! Apologize!
Right. Oh, man, we are so sorry.
Well, apology accepted. Let's roll.
Marty, we skipped phase 2. We didn't shoot them out.
Don't look at me! I'm just following the leader!
Now, I'm a bit busy right now.
Just pull the switch.
Okay, fine.
What the heck is going on with the light?
No, tell me what you want. What you really want. Oh, I'll tell you what I want. What I really want.
What are you doing? Come on. Everyone remain calm.
Initiate lockdown and get me Capitaine Dubois from Animal Control.
Oh, no.
Lockdown, eh?
What do we do?
All right, everybody, stand back. I got this. Never mind.
Well, you only get one chance at a first impression.
What the? What just happened?
Where are we? What is this?
We call it the Luxury Assault Recreational Vehicle.
The car goes vroom, vroom.
Step on it, boys!